How's it going, everybody? So what's going on here? This is a man-made structure underwater, not too far from where I live. And on this concrete block here, there seems to be some kind of feeding frenzy going on. So we see mainly two species of fishes here. And one are these disc-shaped fish, which are Klein's butterflyfish, and these are generally very clever fish, the generalists. And then we see these elongated fish, which come in blue. Here are a couple. Here's one again. They come in blue and in green, and these are sunset wrasses, and the bigger blue ones are the males. There are also a couple of smaller damselfish there, and they're obviously feeding on something. So what is it? What makes them so excited here? Yeah, here you can see a couple of nice sunset wrasses, and everybody seems to be eager to get a bite. There's such a thick feeding frenzy that the smaller damselfish are actually hesitant to get a bite in there. They're hesitant to get to that source of, whatever amazingly tasty nutrition it is. So what are they feeding on? Well, just like humans who value caviar highly, which is fish eggs, these fish are feeding on fish eggs, and these are the eggs of these Indo-Pacific sergeant majors. So this is a damselfish, somewhat of a relative of this anemone fish, which is also damselfish, and they lay these layers of eggs on these concrete blocks there. So for some reason these are very popular nests. Now if you as a diver come too close to these nests, the damselfish for some reason leave and this feeding frenzy ensues. So this is a close-up of the eggs. There's this calcified algae layer which is red, and then these red dots are also eggs. So here again the butterfly fish are feeding on these eggs. The damselfish are very common, so this is not an endangered species. I don't do that on purpose, but you don't even have to come very close to these nests. And for some reason the damselfish leave, but all these egg predators start feasting on these eggs. Now I've experienced something very similar with this Chitodon citronella, this other butterfly fish, and with these Hawaiian saddle wrasses in Hawaii. Okay, I have a couple of very exciting announcements, so you should listen to this. First of all, my new book, it's called The Lives of Gobies, has been out now for a few weeks. If you like my underwater videos, you'll probably like my underwater photography, and there's a lot of that in this book, and a lot of, I think, really interesting information about these fascinating small fishes. So you can order it at the Asia Geographic webpage. The link is below. Now, we are also, and we being my friend and colleague James Reimer and me, we are planning a new book, and it's called Oceans of the Future. Now, this is about the trajectory our planet's oceans are taking with the current unfortunate level of human intervention in the health of these ocean ecosystems. So with all these environmental problems, how will oceans look in 500 years? How will they look in 10,000 years? I think it's a fascinating topic which we want to address for a interested lay audience. And if you are a publisher who wants to take on our book, please contact us. And yes, finally, like and subscribe if you really want to help out the channel and see more underwater videos. I also put my PayPal there. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I'm actually heading out to just another dive in the Philippines. So see you soon.